Hi, do you have a furnace that's coming on, running for about 4 or 5 seconds, then shutting off, and then maybe 20, 30 seconds later it does the same thing, and it does this 2 or 3 times, and then it just shuts down completely? Well, if you do, then your furnace is short cycling. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. It's a quick fix, and you won't have to call a furnace repair person. It won't cost you a penny. Let me show you what you've got to do. So in this furnace, this one has 4 burners. Sometimes you have a furnace with 2 or 3 burners, sometimes maybe 5 or 6. But this one has 4 burners. And right here, this is the igniter. That's what lights the flame. On the opposite side of the furnace from that, you've got a little rod right here. That's a flame sensor. And its job is to ensure that once the lighter ignites the gas, that you have flame at all 4 burners. If it doesn't detect a flame here within 4 or 5 seconds, it'll shut the furnace down, because you don't want to be blowing gas into your house without a flame, because obviously it's very dangerous. So this flame sensor can get dirty, can get glazed, and it won't detect a flame. So let me show you what you've got to do with that. First, let me show you how to tell the difference between the flame sensor and the igniter. They can be on either side of the furnace, but here's the easy way to tell. You can see the igniter glowing, and that's how you know which one's the igniter and which one's the flame detector. So the igniter will be on one side, the flame detector on the other side. So here's the flame sensor. It's basically in the path of that flame when that burner's running. And up here is the top part of the flame sensor. So what you want to do is you want to take that flame sensor out of the furnace and clean it. It's really a pretty simple process. Let me show you how. So you want to disconnect the wire from it. That was pretty tight. And then you loosen this one screw, pull it out, clean it, and put it back in, and that should fix the problem. It fixes the problem about 80% of the time. Now, these flame sensors can go bad, and you might have to replace the flame sensor, but they're easy to get a hold of. They're pretty cheap, and it certainly isn't something you need to pay a furnace repairman to do. So let's take that out of there and clean it. Okay, and just pull it out. This is what it looks like. A lot of them are bent. This one's a straight one. Let me show you what you have to do to clean it. Okay, this may seem a little odd, but a dollar bill has enough abrasive quality that you can typically clean it with a dollar bill. Just back and forth for 10, 15 seconds. And that's normally all it takes. Now, you can also use a Scotch-Brite pad or something like that. You don't want to use something really abrasive like sandpaper, because that can actually damage it. Typically a dollar bill or a Scotch-Brite pad does the job. Okay, let's put this thing back in. Reattach the wire, and that's all there is to it. So that's all there is to fixing a furnace that's short cycling. Take less than 10 minutes, you save a service call from your HVAC technician, and you'll have a warm home once again. I hope this video has been helpful to you. I really appreciate you watching. Have a great day.